Hey good people, it's your girl Cynthia, and as you know, it's in business as usual. First of all, I want to thank you for making it possible. We are at 2,000 subscribers, and I'm so thankful. Want to make money, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, I got you covered. I've done some research and rounded up 3 real ways to make money at home, online, or out and about. 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Sites like Upwork will approve your profile within 24 hours. But keep in mind it can take time to land your first freelance gig. Payment varies by site. On Upwork, you are paid after you and the client review the work, 10 days after the billing period ends. On Fiverr, you are paid when the work order is complete, but you can't withdraw funds for 14 days. Upwork requires users to be at least 18 years of age. Fiverr sets the age requirements at 13, and freelancer.com requires users to be at least 16. 2. Test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps worked. You'll have to complete a short test to be accepted. Then you'll be paid depending on the test type. Usertesting.com does not disclose an exact amount they pay. Approval time to the site can vary. Setup is less than an hour, and it's easy to start if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. Age is at least 18 years, and how fast you'll get paid is 7 days. You typically need to complete a sample task as part of the application process. Then you'll start receiving testing opportunities after your application is approved. Usertesting.com requires applicants to speak English or German. 3. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the task you'll be assigned can be tiresome. Tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scam, so do your research. Join a community like the MTAC Crowd Forum or the MTAC and Tracker Nation, which can steer you away from shifty dealers. These communities and fellow workers can answer questions and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Read more about Mechanical Turk as a way to make quick money online. You can have your earnings deposited into your bank account or put on an Amazon gift card. Requirements: you must be at least 18 to register for Mechanical Turk. You also need an Amazon account to register for Mechanical Turk. Thanks for watching. See you soon.